Hello everybody. Ano po ang pang-sampo na duties and responsibilities ng isang accredited pollution control officer? Nakasulat po yan sa Section 10 ng DAO 2014-02. Maraming mga duties and responsibilities ang isang PCO, pero pag-usapan natin yung pang-sampo. Ang pang-sampu na duty and responsibility ng isang accredited PCO I read and I quote, sabi sa Section 10 ng DAO 2014-02, item number 10, monitor activities pertaining to the operation and maintenance of pollution control facilities to ensure compliance with the effluent standards and report monitoring results to DNR as part of the self-monitoring report. End of quote. So, ang isang PCO po, pagka nagpe-perform ka na ng iyong function entrusted to you by the regional director of Environmental Management Bureau, kailangan nagbo-monitor tayo ng ating mga discharges. And I mean yung effluent. And this can be treated, partially treated, or wholly treated. And make sure we coordinate with DNR accredited environmental laboratory to monitor the discharges in a form of water sampling and analysis. So, pwede minsan tayo yung nagkakandak ng water sampling at dinadala natin sa laboratory for laboratory analysis. At merong particular monitoring parameters tayong tinitingnan gaya ng biochemical oxygen demand, chemical oxygen demand, total suspended solid, oil in grease, pH, merong ammonia, merong nitrate, merong phosphate. So, chinecheck itong mga parameters na to sa laboratory kung ano ang concentration. And then, mag-i-issue ang environmental laboratory provider ng certificate of analysis. Ang tawag nila result of laboratory analysis. Yung certificate o yung result showing the concentration of the parameters analyzed. At kino-compare yun sa standard set by DNR EMB doon sa DAO 2016-08 or DAO 2021-19. So ang trabaho, ang duty ng isang PCO is to monitor these discharges kung pumapasa sa standard set by DNR. At malaking responsibility ng isang accredited PCO na masiguro na pumapasa or nagko-comply sa DNR standard kasi we are the protector of the water bodies. So kung laging papasa yung ating mga effluent sa standard set by DNR, makakaasa na malinis yung quality ng water bodies within our immediate environment. At yung result po ng analysis ini-issue ng DNR EMB laboratory ay sinasama natin sa self-monitoring report. So kung anong quarter yung water sampling and analysis, doon sa quarter na yon ibinibigay yung result of laboratory analysis. So the responsibility of the PCO is to submit the report showing the monitoring result. Nagagamit kasi yan for policy and decision making naman ng department. Again, the duty and responsibility of the PCO is to monitor discharges, monitor our effluent, at masiguro na yung ating mga effluent or discharges complies with the standard set by DENR, lalong-lalo yung effluent standard na nakasulat sa DAO 2016-08 and DAO 2021-19. So I hope bilang PCO, we have the plans, We have the schedule ng mga monitoring in coordination with the DNR accredited laboratory para sa water sampling and analysis. Then we upkeep yung result, tapos tinitingnan natin kung every quarter tayo nagpapatest. Makikita mo, first quarter ito yung concentration, ito yung second quarter, third quarter, fourth quarter na result. Makikita mo kung tumataas ba, bumababa ba, at that will be the basis ng isang PCO kung dadalasan niya na ba ang frequency ng water sampling and analysis, na kung dati ay once every quarter, pwede niya nang gawin na twice every quarter, kasi kung tumataas yung concentration ng mga parameters. Halimbawa, most of concern is BOD. So, kailangan i-check niya ano yung trend. Kasi kung tumataas, baka isang araw, di mo na malayan yung sunod mo na sampling and analysis ay bumagsak na sa standard set by DNR. At may karampatang penalty kasi kapag bumabagsak sa standard set by DNR. And you will be obliged to submit an environmental incident report. So yun lamang ang tungkol sa pang-10 na duty and responsibility ng isang accredited pollution control officer. So if you want to know yung pang-11 na duty at iba pang mga functions ng PCO sa permitting, sa registration and reporting, please subscribe to this channel. Please like and share this video. Thank you po at mabuhay tayong lahat.